Hello students, this is Preeti Damble, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to study English grammar, a new topic called participles. So first of all, what is participle? Participle is a word formed from a verb. Now it can be used as an adjective, as a noun, and sometimes as a part of a phrase. Typically, participles are of two types: present participle and past participle. Now, present participle is where you add ing to the base form of the verb, and past participle is where you add ed, d, t, or n to the base form of the verb. Take for example, we have the verb cook. When you frame the present participle of cook, you add ing to it and the present participle becomes cooking. And when you add ed to it, it becomes cooked. That is the past participle. Take another. The verb is tear. When you add ing to it, it becomes tearing. That is present participle. And the past form would be torn. Okay? Take another. Verb is send. Present would be sending and past is sent. Take the next verb, freeze. Present participle is freezing and past is frozen. So the past forms or the past participles for the verb will vary. Yes, because you have a number of additions: ed, d, t, or n. Now, participles can act as adjectives. Yes. Take the example, the boring teacher talked for hours. Now here in this sentence, the word boring is your present participle since it's the form of ing of the base form bore. Yes, now this word boring, it acts as an adjective as it is modifying the teacher there. Okay, see the second sentence, the bored students fell asleep. In this sentence, the term bored is your past participle since it is the ed form of the word bore. So it is acting as an adjective as it is modifying the term students. Now we have present participles act as noun. So usually if we talk about present participles, it usually comes before the noun which it modifies. And if suppose the present participle is a part of a modifying phrase, it comes after the noun it modifies. Take for example, she got a dancing doll for her birthday. Now in this sentence, dancing is your present participle and this present participle is modifying the noun doll. Okay. Now if we talk about the modifying phrase, take the second example. That was her daughter dancing in her room. So the present participle phrase is dancing in her room. Yes, and this modifies the noun what? Daughter. Okay. Then we have past participle which acts as a noun. Now this usually comes before the noun that it modifies and if it is a part of a phrase, it comes after the noun, it modifies. Take for example, the beaten home team was booed as soon as the match ended. Yes, so here the past participle in the word in the sentence is beaten, which modifies the noun home team. Yes, take the other. The three of us got into the boat rented for a shipping trip. So past participle phrase is rented for a shipping trip, and this modifies the noun boat. Okay, thank you.